I am American. DJ want it. Yes, all of the gangs in Jamaica clean up on the behavior and give on the soul to the Savior.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless everyone, greetings, yeah man, good day, good day, good day. Good day, the Thursday. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know Lion Foot, you know, so give thanks to life, come on, of peace. Zine, yeah man. And I'm holy Emmanuel, I will say give thanks to life. You alright?
You alright?
Yeah. You know what I mean? We are saying the youth themselves to stop the crime. Seeing? Yeah man, stop the crime and violence in Jamaica. So, we see, the man going to shoot up an infant funeral. Well, like I said, the person them go for. I'm see it in the Gleaner. Big up to one of my patrons who send it to me, you know? Keep me alert. I know sometimes I'm not up to date with the wagwan, but yeah man. My fellow Jamaicans are begging to please stop the crime. See Badger. The man of peace, you know, right there. Never left it, you know, see it there? Never left it, you see me? Man of peace, yeah man. So we see a thing go on, and shooting go on at Q Avenue. See, yeah man, for the first time I come over on the platform, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell. Zine, welcome, make yourself at home. Zine, big up all of my inactive and active subscribers, commenters, fans on the platform. You know, if you call their name, so big up everybody, man. Zine, silent ones, and big up on yourself. The rest of we keep it you on the battlefield. Alright, but they use them to stop the crime. See? So a funeral, an infant funeral was taking place, and it came to an abrupt when some men pull up in a Toyota Pro Box. You see me? Now a Toyota Pro Box pull up, shot and injured a man at the funeral, standing at the corner, Maxfield Avenue. See? Maxfield, me are going to stop the crime. Greenwich Farm, Whitfield. So me I say, the whole Vinny City, the whole garrison, Rosetown. You see me? Lennox, big up yourself, you know. Whole Rosetown, John, Gally, big up on yourself. See? Delhi, yeah man. John Star. Can't take the crime and violence, you know. Can't take the crime and violence. See, so, if that go on at an infant funeral, for sure, the man them not no mercy, them not no pity. You know? Youths them not no mercy, not no pity, star. Infant funeral, pay some respect, man. And wait till the world the individual run away. That look like some Indian gopher. But he was taken to hospital, he was shot and injured. See? I know we don't support enough crime boy here, you know. Peace and love, we say. Big up all of the killy them, I beg you to hold it. You see me? Yeah man, remember a single drop soon. Then what really I go on? I'm going to the first verse. What really I go on on the island? No rain no fall, I just be a blood a shed. Watch a rain a fall, I don't do you know. You see me? What really I go on the island? Young, old, innocent, guilty or dead. What really I go on the island? Country at Kingston a run red. What really I go on the island? The dread. All over Jamaica war. People a drop like dead leaf on the tar. Man a kill pan foot, pan bike and in the car. Me read it in the Gleaner, observer in the star. I beg you put down the gun, Ruben. Think before you squeeze the trigger, Ruben. Me still am one for 12-year-old Dujan. Stop the violence against kids, men and women. I really a go on from the island. You see me? Yeah man. Just like a song for Jadonia Records. He's happy with it, you know, get it mixed and mastered by the engineer. So me answer one different part of the world. Yeah. Who have sound. See? Yeah. That's how the garrison them run a jam down. We use them a brandish some big long gun. Them boss it tight and there when it's rainy and sunny. Extortion, can't kill it. Ah! Yes, man, so Thanos Star, I beg you to stop the crime, man. Please and thanks, man, I beg you to stop the crime. See, you know, we, people all over the diaspora, especially me, sometimes I stay up to date with what I go on, you know, the Glean and the Observer, the Star, you know, On the Spot News Media, Politics Watch, and other YouTubers like myself, you know, but I don't know, music. Music is my main profession, you know. I don't going to do this to help, highlight, uplift, and educate. You see me? Sometimes we touch the mix up to same way, because I don't know yes, life. We are all humans, you see me? Yeah, man, but at the end of the day, I love. And the man of pace I speak. You see me, I say, I beg the youth them for wallet. There is a way out. Zine, check out my single name, there is a way out. Crime is not the answer, it's not the way. You know, dead, like kill and then kill. You know, the brother will come out ready. He seems tormented in himself and can give up. Zine, and when you take a life, it leads you to continue to want to take a life until you end up tormented, haunted in yourself. You see me? I remember everything you do there is a reaction. Every action there is a reaction and repercussion. So the youth them of Jamaica, I beg you to please, hold it. Hold it. Can't tell you now if you live in the life and what you do, because I don't know. Lion foot. Now financially for help you know. You can give the advice that way there, you see me? Yeah. You see it. But I don't know until then when I stay so financially stable, enough things make me want to do, you see me, for the youths them. So right now I go and do it musically, so all my fans them of Imaric, give me the support, man. Give me the support. And here's where I try. We want a blind and out there, you see me? Show the world so we're talented too. And gifted too. I want the good music. You see me, I say we have to stay focused and we not lose it. Big up yourself, job loss. And next righteous youth, you know. We walk away from badness. And I feel privileged to know, say, yeah. It's a youth to wake up and change my life around. And, you know what I mean? I'm there to give me support musically and spiritually. And, you know, in every way. Because enough youth want help, you know. Enough youth really want to step up in a crime and badness, but them get caught up. I know I saw the garage run. That's it. I don't know, I'm the man of pace. I have time to go up on the work now, so we're going to run left, you know. Remember, stop the crime, Maxfield. You know like what I go on. See me? Man, I'm going to shoot up the baby funeral, infant funeral. Pay some respect, man. I'm going to say, rest in peace, my auntie Faye. You know, she was late to rest yesterday. I dove that. Big up myself, food man. You see me, I say, and the youth want pain land. Hold it, because Lion Foot come change the thing, you know. America come change the thing, you know. They come fix up the thing and upgrade the thing, see? So hold it. Stop the crime and violence. Christian to 2 mile. You see me, I say, back to White Wing. Yeah, man, America forward. So, see? Hold it, love and blessings. Stay safe. A Lion Foot and I'm out. Stop the crime. Yeah, man.
Youths, put down the guns, them now. Don't throw your life away. There is a way out, some way, somehow. Youths.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.